Are you ready to celebrate Independence Day with some unbeatable deals? We've got an amazing 4th of July sale that's going to blow your mind. From high-tech gadgets to essential home items, we have everything you need at prices you won't believe. Let's take a look at some of the hot deals you can grab right now. You can find these deals in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel with your friends and family. Need to upgrade your tech? Check out our selection of the latest tablets and phones. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or staying connected with loved ones, we've got the perfect device for you. And what's a holiday without some entertainment? Dive into the action with our stunning TV. Perfect for watching all those summer blockbusters or catching up on your favorite series. We've got deals on so many more products, smart home devices, fitness trackers, and so much more. No matter what you're looking for, you'll find something amazing. Ready to snag these deals? Head to the description below to find all the products featured in this video. Don't wait, these deals won't last long. Celebrate this 4th of July with the best deals around. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome deals and updates. See you next time, and have a fantastic 4th of July.